guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at Madam Glam's new March gel polish collection that went on the website on the 1st of March. Unfortunately this video is a little bit late going out this month, guys. I just want to apologise for that. It was just that the parcel was sent out a little late, but I'm not mad because they have only gone and sent the whole collection. Look at them beauties, guys. Oh my goodness. Now these colours are right up my street. I love pastel shades. This month's destination is Paris, and the name for this collection is the Macaron Collection. You know those colourful meringue biscuity kind of things? I'll stick a picture on the screen now for those of you that don't know what a macaron is. So these colours are absolutely gorgeous. The name is so well suited, don't you think? So this collection's made up of 10 gorgeous creamy pastel shades. They've also brought out a new no wipe shiny top coat. Now look at that. How pretty is that? So it's a no wipe shiny top coat, and it's got like a subtle sprinkle of iridescent glitter. So pretty. Love that. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch them very quickly because we've got a lot to get through in this video, and I want to do a little design at the end, so I don't want this video to get too long. I'm sure you've got better things to be doing than sat watching me all day. So yeah, I'm going to swatch them very quickly. I'll probably swatch a couple in real time and then I'll start speeding the swatching up, and then we're going to do a little design using them. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So first up is going to be this Madam Glam's Confetti no wipe top coat, and it's called Funfetti. Cute name, love that. I'm going to be swatching this one on a clear swatch stick, and there is a reason for that, and you'll see why later on in the video. I love how this leaves a really nice subtle effect. It's going to be perfect for spring, Easter. How pretty is that? It's got a really gorgeous subtle effect, which I really like. It's not cram-packed with glitter. It just leaves a little twinkle. I really like that. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Next one is Blueberry Cream. Ooh, I love this. This is my kind of blue. Look how pretty that is, guys. It's gorgeous. Really, really pretty baby blue. Look at that. Gorgeous. Next one is Viola. Oh yeah. Again, one of my favourite colours. Lilac. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Next one is Candyland. Raindrop. I Lime You. Spring in Paris. Sweetness.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
Now I thought Viola was my favourite, but I think we have a new winner, guys. That is definitely my favourite. It's lilac, but it has a hint of blue. Oh, it's just so pretty. So pretty. Then we've got lemon pie. Then we've got cherry petals. Last but not least, we have got Primavera. Right, so what I'm going to do is now, guys, I'm going to give these all a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And then we'll come back and take a look at the colours. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. They've all had 2 coats, although they didn't actually need 2 coats. But I do like to give them 2 coats. I just think it makes them more vibrant. How pretty are they? They are absolutely stunning. Love every single one of them. They're going to be absolutely amazing for spring and Easter, don't you think? Really beautiful collection. And this is the Funfetti, which is the new shiny top coat. That is a no white top coat as well, which I love. So once that's cured in the lamp, you are ready to rock and roll. So the reason I've swatched this on a clear swatch stick is because I want you to be able to see it over all these different colours. So these have all had a coat of the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. My favourite matte top coat ever. How matte is that? And it hasn't got that horrible rubbery feel to it either. It still feels nice and smooth. Some matte top coats have got a bit of a rubbery texture. So let's take a look at these shiny and with a coat of the Funfetti over the top. Can you see how it just leaves a really pretty subtle effect? That's what I really like about this. That's over Viola, Ute, Candyland, Raindrop, I Lime You, Spring in Paris, Sweetness, Lemon Pie. I love how it changes as well over the top of different colours. We've got Cherry Petal, and lastly Primavera. So pretty. Really, really pretty. Yeah, I just love that it's not cram-packed full of glitter. That has also had 2 coats as well, guys, so it is actually even more subtle than that. If you want it to look like it's got more glitter, then you can just keep applying another coat. So that's them all swatched. Now I want to do a cute little design using some of the colours. These are definitely my kind of colours. Which is your favourite, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. I think I'm going to have to say probably Sweetness, but I actually quite like the eye lime hue as well, believe it or not. But oh, the raindrop's nice. Oh, I really can't choose. They're all really pretty in their own right. Candyland is really nice as well. Oh, I can't pick. So now I'm going to get on and do a little design using some of the colours. So I'm going to get set up and I'll pop back in a minute. So I'm going to start off by applying a coat of the Madam Glam's Spring in Paris All for Nails. So I want to take this time to tell you a little bit about Madam Glam gels. For those of you that's not seen any Madam Glam videos before, all Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and henna-free. So they're really, really good quality gels and they're pretty much good for anyone to use. So I've popped a little bit of each of those colours on my palette. And I've pulled out my Madam Glam detailer brush. And all I'm going to do is, I'm going to do kind of French tip, but only on 1/2, like this. Like that, and then I'm just going to alternate the colours. And then in the cuticle area, we'll do a similar sort of idea, but on the opposite corner. Like that. And then I'm just going to clean my brush off in between. Now we're going to go in with the yellow. So I'm going to give them a cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to give them all a coat of the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. And I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. There we are. That is them all done. What do you think? I think they are a really cute spring alternative to a French manicure. I think they're really cute. And those gels are so opaque, guys. They all only needed one coat. Love using them as a full colour. Love using them for nail art. They're just really, really good quality gel polishers. So let's take a quick look at the swatches again, very quickly. So that is the new no wipe shiny top coat called Funfetti. And these are all the colours with the velvet matte top coat over the top. They're all really, really pretty, aren't they? They're going to be absolutely perfect for spring and Easter. So that's them all swatched. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's video. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these to try and sending the whole collection. Thank you so much. You couldn't have sent me a better collection. I love, love, love pastel shades. As always, guys, you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is my discount code, GG30. So if you're not a VIP member, head over to the Madam Glam website via the link in my description box and at the checkout enter GG30. That way you'll save yourself 30% off your order. Madam Glam do also do a VIP membership as well. If anyone wants any more information on that, you'll find everything that you need to about that on their website. Yeah, I think that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.